Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yasmin and I make DIY, home decor, and organization videos every week. If you've been following along, you know that I was working on this dining room makeover for the last couple weeks, and every time I work on a room transformation, the rest of the house kind of gets neglected and becomes a catch-all. So today, I'm gonna tackle some cleaning and organizing, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And with all of that said, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, you guys, so literally the only area that is clean and organized right now is the newly made over dining room, which I'm obsessed with. But if we turn around here, our living room, it's not bad. It's just like stuff that I have to put away and kind of like clean the table and maybe wash these blankets on all of that stuff. And then definitely the most neglected I feel like is the kitchen. So I'm gonna just like do overall cleaning. I'm gonna like clean the stovetop because I mean it's really bad. Gonna clean the microwave, have some dishes to do, clean the sink, so all of that good stuff. And then also I want to tackle kind of cleaning the patio a little bit. It's been not clean for a while, and it was windy the other night, and some of these plant pots kind of fell over, so there's like dirt literally all over the floor. So that's kind of the plan. And then I think the last thing I'm gonna like tackle the powder room down here, but I'm just gonna get started because I feel like there's a lot to do. I cleaned the stovetop and the microwave, the inside as well. I did the dishes and ran the dishwasher. So I'm gonna go in right now with this mineral oil and kind of cover these new cutting boards that I got off of Amazon to kind of prep them for use. And I really like this one because it has like the stand to kind of stack them instead of having them kind of fall on each other. So after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of our old cutting boards, I think, and then I'm gonna refill some of these spices and kind of put everything back. And then I'm gonna go in and take everything out of this island and kind of give it a good clean. It's been I think overdue for a little while. And then I think that should be it for the kitchen. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm working on right now. Kitchen is completely cleaned and I'm pretty much done with this area. I just have to like take out some trash, but it's 1:30, so I'm gonna make a quick lunch, and then after lunch I'm gonna tackle the living room and the powder room, and then I will tackle the patio. finished cleaning the living room, so I wiped down all the surfaces, I vacuumed the couch and the floors everywhere downstairs. I also cleaned the powder bathroom, so I'm gonna take a quick 10-minute break and then go out on the patio and kind of sweep and clean out there, and yeah, that's where I'm at right now. The patio, I sweeped the dirt and got rid of spider webs as much as I could, and I added some soil to some of these plant pots, but I feel like we definitely need to do some deep cleaning and power washing the floor out on this patio at some point, but I think that's kind of it for out here. Hey guys, so that's it for this cleaning and organizing vlog. I hope that you got motivated to tackle cleaning your own space, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!